So here's how we can access and allow access to microphone for the WhatsApp application. Let me guide you through it and let's get started. If it's your first time here, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss the important updates. Anyways, you have to make sure that you are inside of the WhatsApp app, and if you are texting with someone, just get to the situation where the microphone is required. So, for example, you're gonna send a voice message, right? And see what happens. If the app is simply not gonna give you the option to, then fine, we can change it later. But if you just use it for the first time, it will likely ask you if you want to allow the access to the microphone or not. So you have to click on allow. But as I said, if it still doesn't work, you can change it anytime in the settings by finding the privacy and security section, and all of those things like the camera access and the network and photos access, including the microphone access, will be right here. So I can find the microphone with the orange icon right there, and there you should be able to find that WhatsApp has its own toggle too. So the point is obviously to make sure that the toggle is green, that it's turned on for WhatsApp specifically, and then the microphone will be accessible. So that's just the whole thing. There isn't anything else that you need to know about it. I would really appreciate your feedback, so let me know what you think. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.